Welcome to Rhode Island Nutrition Therapy. Rhode Island Nutrition Therapy at our core. Our mission is to inspire, educate, guide, and support those who want to improve their lives by making healthy diet and lifestyle changes for life. Our core values consist of incorporating kindness, integrity, inclusion, critical thinking, and excellence into everything we do. Our way of working is by creating personalized wellness plans and providing the tools and support needed to help our patients achieve and sustain optimal wellness. Meet your Rhode Island Nutrition Therapy team. I'm Wendy Leonard. I'm a registered dietitian with over 20 years of experience helping my clients achieve success with their health and wellness goals. My interests are in autoimmune disorders, women's health, and the gut-brain microbiome connection. I have 4 teenagers who have helped with my personal growth and patience, perseverance, unconditional love, and of course, managing chaos. Meet Lori Mallow. She's our lifestyle coach and wellness coach. Lori has spent most of her career in the corporate world. Now she is following her heart's passion in the health and wellness field. Lori will be your biggest supporter and loves helping others become healthier and feel their best. As your health coach, Lori engages, energizes, and challenges clients to reach higher at the precise moment. Health coaching enables you to discover your strengths, values, and desires, and uses these discoveries to achieve what you want in life, including optimal health. Meet Sarah Durand. Sarah is also a registered dietitian. She has been working with clients and helping them reach their health and wellness goals since 2016, as well as 4 years of experience working with the special needs community on implementing a healthy lifestyle. She is passionate about helping to educate on important lifestyle changes, as well as specializing in weight loss, women's health, functional nutrition, and gastrointestinal disorders. Meet Jordan Schnapp. Jordan is also one of our registered dietitians, and she aims to inspire others about living a healthy lifestyle. Jordan offers a holistic approach by using techniques to help you build a healthy and sustainable relationship with food. She believes that eating is a form of self-care and an act of nourishing our body and mind. Jordan enjoys traveling to new places and experiencing the flavors of different cultures, as well as experimenting with fresh ingredients from her local farmers. She spends much of her time outdoors hiking, snowboarding, and surfing, and of course, enjoying quality fun with family, friends, and pups. Meet Zoe Habershaw. Zoe is one of our certified personal trainers. She's also a bar and dance instructor, as well as a Reiki practitioner with a love for wellness and nutrition. Zoe is currently working on her Master's of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics, where she continues to pursue her dreams of working in women's integrative health with a nutritional focus. Zoe also has created her own fitness brand. She offers one-on-one bar training, live classes, on-demand classes, Reiki sessions, as well as fitness and dance tips. Our promise to you: it takes a multidimensional team working together with you as our focus. Our goal is to take you from where you are today to where you want and need to be. Our goal is your optimal wellness. Follow a healthy lifestyle with Rhode Island Nutrition Therapy, not a diet. Thank you for joining us today.